What if AI could handle your bookkeeping while you focus on growing your business? Today, we're going to explore exactly how AI-powered tools can help you future-proof your finances. From automating your invoices to providing predictive insights, we'll cover everything you need to know to stay ahead in 2024. Let's dive in! AI isn't just about automating basic tasks. It's also evolving to offer predictive insights that can help you plan ahead. With predictive analytics, AI can forecast your cash flow based on historical data, giving you the insights you need to make informed, data-driven decisions for the future of your business. AI also helps when it comes to taxes. Tax season can be stressful, but AI tools are here to automate the tax prep process. Whether it's gathering receipts, tracking expenses, or making sure your filings are accurate. Now, let's take a look at the top 5 AI tools that can help your business thrive in 2024. First up, we have Notion AI, a powerful tool for boosting team productivity by automating note-taking, task management, and content creation. It's an essential solution for businesses that want to streamline workflows and enhance collaboration. Notion AI takes your productivity to the next level by automating repetitive tasks like summarizing long documents, generating content ideas, and even drafting emails or reports. This means less time on admin work and more time for strategic business activities. If content creation is taking up too much of your time, Jasper AI is a great tool. Jasper can help you write blog posts, social media captions, and even email campaigns in a fraction of the time it would take manually. For clear and professional writing, Grammarly is an essential tool. Whether you're writing emails, reports, or proposals, Grammarly ensures that your communication is error-free and polished. When it comes to managing social media, Hootsuite helps you automate posts across multiple platforms while offering analytics to measure performance and engagement. And lastly, my personal favorite, Circular.io. This AI-powered bookkeeping tool handles everything from scanning receipts to categorizing expenses, all while offering real-time financial insights. Let's face it, manual bookkeeping is one of the most time-consuming tasks for small business owners. It's repetitive, prone to errors, and often leads to hours of wasted time tracking expenses, sending invoices, and managing financial reports. In fact, studies show that businesses lose 30% of productivity from manually handling financial tasks. But with Circular.io, you can automate these processes, saving time and reducing costly mistakes. Businesses using Circular.io experience smoother operations and focus more on growth. For example, businesses that use Circular.io report faster month-end closes and significant reductions in financial errors, allowing more time to focus on business growth rather than being bogged down by bookkeeping. So, which AI tool will you start using today? Whether it's Circular.io for your bookkeeping or Jasper for content creation, these tools can save you hours of manual work and help you scale your business. If you guys are interested in saving time in bookkeeping, click on the description below for 50% off coupon code. And don't forget to subscribe for more business growth tips. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited about.